Bizz and Buzz make honey buns by Dee Leone, illustrated by Maritie. Bizz and Buzz were best friends. They played together. They sang together. And they ate together. One day, Bear invited them over for honey buns.
These are delicious. Can you tell us how to make one?
Asked Buzz. Bear was always willing to help.
First, you need a little flour.
Thank you, Bear. We know just where to look,
said Bizz. The bees flew to a garden. They saw some red roses.
Will those work?
Asked Buzz.
No,
answered Bizz.
Roses are too big. Bear said we need a little flower.
They saw some purple tulips.
What about those?
Asked Buzz.
Still too big,
answered Bizz. Buzz saw lots of little yellow flowers.
Look, buttercups.
They landed on the smallest one.
This one is perfect,
said Bizz.
Yes, it is a little flower,
added Buzz. They went back to their friend.
We found a little flower,
they told him.
Good, said Bear. Next, add water to the flour.
Bizz and Buzz flew off, but it started to rain. So they hid under a mushroom.
I hope this rain stops soon,
said Bizz.
Me too. I want to finish making our honey bun,
added Buzz. Finally, the rain stopped. Bizz and Buzz flew back to the buttercup, their own little flower.
How do we add water?
asked Buzz. They thought and thought. Buzz got tired of thinking and splashed Bizz. Suddenly, Bizz buzzed with excitement.
Buzz, we don't need to add water to the flour. The rain already did.
They went to see Bear again.
Now add butter,
he said. Bizz and Buzz flew back to the buttercup, their own little flower, the one with water on top.
How do we add butter?
asked Bizz.
Where do we even find butter?
wondered Buzz. They thought and thought.
Buzz, this is a buttercup. It already has butter. Oh, Bizz, you are so smart.
They visited Bear again.
We have the flour. We have the water. We have the butter,
bragged Buzz.
Now, knead it all together,
Bear told them. Bizz and Buzz flew back to the buttercup, their own little flower, the one with water on top and butter inside.
It's time to knead it all,
said Bizz. Buzz looked at the buttercup.
Little flower, we need you. We need you so much.
water, butter,
We need you too.
added Bizz.
Do you think that is enough kneading?
Asked Buzz.
Yes, I'm hungry. Let's go.
Bear told them the next thing to do.
Now you bake it.
Bizz and Buzz flew back to the buttercup, their own little flower, the one with the water on top and butter inside, the one they needed so much.
How can we bake it?
Asked Buzz.
We need something hot.
Bizz said. They thought and they thought. The bees went back to Bear.
The last thing you need to do is add some honey,
said Bear. That was easy for the bees. They knew just where to look. They added the honey to the flour.
It doesn't look like the honey buns Bear made,
said Bizz.
It doesn't smell like the honey buns Bear made,
said Buzz.
Maybe he used a different kind of flour,
said Bizz. Buzz was hungry.
Let's taste it anyway.
Bear sure knows how to make good honey buns, said Buzz. Bizz licked up every last bit. And now we do too. Thank you for reading with me today at the Little Library. Bye-bye.